Are you looking for parents seeking screen-free, sensory-rich play options? Toddler water tables are making a splash in backyards everywhere. These engaging activity centers promote hands-on learning, fine motor skills, and outdoor fun. Whether for solo play or sibling bonding, water tables offer year-round entertainment. In this guide, we've reviewed the best toddler water tables for kids, evaluating factors like design, build quality, accessories, ease of use, and value for money. List number. Step 2. Rain Shower Splash Pond Toddler Water Table. The Step 2 Rain Shower Splash Pond is a standout for sensory play. Designed with multiple levels, it simulates a mini water park where toddlers can scoop, pour, and watch the cascading waterfall effect. The large basin holds a good amount of water, while the 13-piece accessory set includes buckets, cups, spinners, and rubber ducks. What makes this table shine is its interactive design, allowing several kids to play at once, making it ideal for playdates or siblings. It's durable, easy to assemble, and promotes creativity and cause and effect learning. While it's best for ages 18 months and up, even older kids enjoy the moving water parts. If you want a full-on splash experience, this is one of the top toddler water tables you can get. List 2. Little Tikes Fish and Splash Water Table Full Set. Little Tikes delivers another water table favorite with the Fish and Splash model. This set is geared toward kids who love interactive pretend play, especially fishing games. It comes with a built-in fishing pond, launchable critters, and a fishing pole. One of the best features is the fish bowl that tips over when filled, giving kids a surprise splash. Its bright, colorful design is inviting, and the whole set encourages hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's also compact enough for small patios while still offering plenty of play value. Assembly is straightforward, and the quality plastic ensures long-term outdoor use. This is a great starter option if your child enjoys imaginative play with water. List number. Cozy Bomb Magnetic Fishing Toys Game Set. Unlike traditional water tables, the Cozy Bomb set focuses more on versatility. It's a water-based fishing game set that works with kiddie pools, bathtubs, or buckets. The 30-piece kit includes magnetic fish, rods, nets, and floating toys, perfect for group play or party activities. Its STEM-friendly design promotes color recognition, number learning, and fine motor development. Although it lacks a dedicated water table base, it's extremely portable and perfect for travel or quick setup. You can use it in the bath or take it to the beach. For parents looking for budget-friendly water fun that's also educational, this is an excellent pick. List number. Step 2 Pump and Splash Discovery Pond Water Table. This deluxe model from Step 2 is built for explorative, hands-on play. The Pump and Splash Discovery Pond includes a working water pump, splash tower, waterfall tray, and spinning water wheel. It feels like a miniature water science lab, allowing toddlers to test, pump, and observe how water moves. With 10 included accessories, the table provides endless combinations for imaginative and sensory play. It's larger than most water tables, so it's best suited for outdoor spaces. Its heavy-duty plastic withstands sun and rough play well, ideal for curious minds and sensory seekers. This is perfect for families looking to invest in high-quality outdoor toys. List 5 Vistop Non-Slip Splash Pad for Kids and Dog 77. If you want something that doubles as a splash pad and pet play area, the Vistop 77 Splash Pad is a great pick. While not a traditional table, it's a versatile water play mat with a large diameter and sprinkler ring. The anti-slip texture keeps kids safe, and the thickened PVC material is durable enough for dogs as well. Easy to connect to a garden hose, it creates a fun fountain effect that toddlers love to run through. It's ideal for hot summer days when you want to cool off multiple children or pets at once. Plus, it stores easily and not in use. If you want a budget-friendly and spacious water activity, this is worth adding to your backyard.